Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohammed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car here, Jeddah code also. After you rebuild the transmission, right?
Yeah.
That one is good now. The one that you did last time.
Yeah, that's one.
That one is good.
Yep.
So you are a good transmission rebuilder. I like that. So let me see, 2013. Okay. Jeddah code as usual. What happened to Nissan Pathfinder 2013 and 14? They are so crazy when you come to rebuild this transmission.
It's crazy. It is.
Other car, you have no problem.
Yeah.
Is this the same transmission for this one? Is the same for Rogue or no?
No. Rogue is
That's why. That's why. You see that the CVT jetter is there. You cannot clear it. So let me go to calibration. Right. It's different. Okay. For the desktop. Pathfinder 2013. This is the one. I'm gonna open it. Next.
So it'll be a software update to get rid of that?
No, you have to write down the software.
Oh, rewrite it.
You have to write down the software. You're gonna push the brake. You have to write it like this, then write. Now you're gonna put everything back. Turn the ignition off. 2 minutes. 2 seconds. 1, 2. Next. Write. Complete. And self-diagnose. You see change to yellow. As soon as you write it, it's like clearing it. Before you cannot even clear it. Clear it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.